If you're an active intraday trader who's frustrated at your inability to be consistently profitable, it's probably because you're trading strategies that don't work without even knowing it. Hi, I'm Mike Bellafiore, co-founder of SMB Capital, one of the most consistently successful proprietary trading desks on the street located in the heart of New York City. Our New York trading desk has over 40 professional day traders, the best of whom are now big, seven-figure earners, and we've been featured on every major financial news network like CNBC and Bloomberg TV. Now, while there are a handful of highly successful proprietary trading firms on Wall Street that have stood the test of time like us, what makes us different is that instead of relying on the traditional, secretive Wall Street model, we've opened our doors and taken all of our proprietary in-house training that we provide to our traders and made it available online to serious independent traders around the world. We've now hired numerous serious independent traders to trade on our New York desk, both in-house and remotely from their homes. And so with this in mind, we're currently offering a free, intensive online workshop in which we teach 3 of our top day trading strategies. These are the exact same strategies that our in-house pro traders use daily, and you'll be learning them in detail completely for free. So click on the link to reserve your free spot, and we'll see you in the workshop.